Guardian RFID is constantly trying to update to make sure that the features we offer are the ones you in the field need most desperately. One of our latest features is special status. It allows you to put categorizations on inmates, whatever they might be, so that it makes everyone aware. One of the most important features would be that of perhaps suicide watch. So the way to activate that is simply find the special status module on your Spartan, select it, scan the tag where the inmate is located. Because there's only one inmate, it immediately pops up on the screen the customizable word blocks associated with that. Pick the special status in question. In this case, I'm going to choose suicide watch, and then I'm going to save the status. That inmate is now immediately placed on special status, and everyone knows that because the icon at the bottom of the screen is active. When I press that icon, it alerts that this inmate is now on special status, and the status he's on is suicide watch. Administrators will also have this box on the bottom that says clear status, allowing them to, when that offender is removed from that status, they can simply select the offender's name and then clear that status. We want administrators and above to have that right and not general staff, because unfortunately some of our officers will just remove people from special status when they don't feel like doing checks. Not that anybody would ever do that. So again, what you'll want to do is place your inmate on a special status by selecting special status, scanning the tag, and selecting the word block that's appropriate for that inmate. What kind of things can you put on special status? Well, you can do things like detox checks, universal precaution, suicide watch, dangerous or two-person escort, whatever you want it to be. But we don't want to confuse the issue by having too many special statuses. So make sure you pick the ones that are appropriate, the ones that are most important to your facility, and align everybody on the same page for what's a special status and what's not. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, reach out to us at info@guardianrfid.com. And as always, get your team home safe.